iPhone 6s battery repair. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, iPhone 5-point pentalobe screwdriver, iSesamo opening tool, suction cup, fine tip curved tweezers, iPhone 6s battery adhesive strips, power down your iPhone 6s. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button and pull the display assembly away from the rear case. Use the iSesamo opening tool to slice through the adhesive and help carefully separate the display assembly from the rear case. Take your time and apply firm, constant force. The display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with adhesive. Do not open the display assembly more than 90 degrees, as it is still connected at the top by 3 ribbon cables that may break if stretched. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws, securing the metal bracket to the motherboard. Now use the fine-tipped curved tweezers to remove the metal bracket and disconnect the LCD, digitizer and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws, securing the metal battery connector bracket to the motherboard. Now use the fine-tip curved tweezers to remove the metal battery connector bracket and then disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Use the fine-tipped curved tweezers to peel up the edges of the 2 adhesive strips at the bottom of the battery. Grab the end of the first adhesive strip and try to keep the strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the iPhone. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the rear case. Now remove the battery from the rear case of the iPhone 6s. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.